Hello, I'm Mike Glazer with the Florida firm of Ausley McMullen. Did you know that physicians that are subject to a hospital's peer review process are entitled to a hearing when the hospital or the medical staff seek to impose certain disciplinary sanctions? The hospital appoints a panel, typically made up of physicians, to consider the evidence and make a recommendation. Often, the hospital's bylaws also allow for the appointment of a hearing officer to help guide the process. An independent and experienced healthcare lawyer with administrative trial experience is a good choice for that role, as they're usually familiar with this process. They can provide guidance to a panel of physicians who aren't going to be as familiar, and they're used to dealing with doctors and hospitals in ways that even former judges aren't used to doing. The hearing officer can work with the lawyers for the parties to bring the case to hearing efficiently and effectively. And that same healthcare lawyer can then preside at the hearing and assist the panel in reaching their decision and submitting their report. After the hearing, the bylaws typically allow for an appeal, often before a 3-member panel. My suggestion is that a credible panel will include a well-respected doctor, someone who wasn't involved in the process to that point, and who can exercise good judgment. And that's probably even more important than them being in the same specialty as the physician whose case is being reviewed. A former judge can add gravitas to the process. And once again, I think an experienced healthcare lawyer, someone other than the lawyer that handled the hearing, brings a level of experience and familiarity to the process that will be of value. Please see the link for a brief but more detailed article on this subject. I've been practicing healthcare law for over 40 years, and I'm the former chair of the health law section of the Florida Bar, and I'm a longtime member of the American Health Law Association. I'm also board certified by the Florida Bar in state and federal government and administrative practice. If I can be of service with a hospital's fair hearing process anywhere in the country, I'd be happy to talk to you. Thanks for listening.